Hey, so I just set up this swimming pool and this thing is really cool. Let me show you a little bit about it. But this is made for a child that is 3 and older, and this has a nice easy blow up section here. It takes probably 5 minutes to blow this up or less. It's got a really cool graphic on the inside that is just so fun. It's like an underwater theme there. As you can see, we got the shark up here, the scuba diver, all the coral and everything, and some fish up here. So it's really cool to look at. It looks like it's a couple inches deep, which is going to be really nice. And then you also get the sprinkler on the top. I got my hose ready. I'm going to demonstrate how this is going to operate, but this thing looks so cool already. I can't wait to see it. All right, so we just got this thing going and this is so cool. You can see the water hitting and splashing. So depending on how much you turn the faucet, we'll just give you a different flow rate. So this can go pretty powerful and you can have this actually like flying around with a little bit more pressure, but this is turned up pretty low. I think it's really nice. It's shooting out of the shark. It just looks amazing. So I love this company too because they also have like a letter they include in their kit that just explains like how much they love doing this for the kids and the family, just to have a good time hanging out, enjoying some time in the water. So we got this hooked up in the back right here to the shark, but now I'm gonna switch that, put this over here because it should be able to shoot around the side too, so you'll have 2 different options. You could run 2 hoses at the same time. I only have 1 hose hooked up, so we're gonna try this one right now. And you can see as this is running, it's filling up the water. We're on a little bit of a slant with the driveway. This pool will fill up, which is really nice because the child can just have fun playing around and stay cool in the summer. All right, so I just wanted to turn this on full blast pressure just to show you how powerful this really is. But you can see this is actually hitting my car over here, which is absolutely crazy, but that looks so cool. All right, so now we just switch this over to the bottom side. It just has to build pressure all the way around, and you can actually control this again with the pressure to make it higher or lower depending on the preference. So if you have it up like this, it could be right over the child's head, and you could turn it down so it can just barely go inside, but it's filling up this pool really nicely. So if you don't want to have any of these sprinklers on, you can just put the hose in here and fill this up as a kiddie pool as well. But this is such a cool feature to cool off during those summer days. I absolutely love this thing. And then after you're all done, there is a little plug right in the bottom that you just pull, and then all the water can come out through the bottom. If you're looking for a nice little kiddie pool with a sprinkler built into it, this is definitely the one that I recommend. Go and check it out for yourself. Add it to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.